Hello and welcome back. If you're new, you're welcome, and I hope you stay. Today, I'm bringing to you another manicure video. Without wasting time, let's just get started. I like to customize my own, gel color. So I'll get a container and come in with my gel polish. I'll be using the Nude polish. This is called Cafe Nude. And I'll add a little bit of cinnamon color, some transparent gel, finally a little bit of white gel. I'll go ahead and mix them up. I'll want a little bit of shimmer in it, so I'll just add a pinch of chrome powder. This is white chrome powder. After mixing, it is ready, and I'll just set it aside for later. I'll get my electric file and file the surface of my nails and the edges as well. I'll come in with a dehydrator and get rid of the dust and any oils that might be on the nail. With a primer, I'll give my nails one coat each. So I'll get my fake nails. I'm using almond nails and I'm using it in the size XXS, which is short, very short. Using my base gel as glue, so I'll come in with a little bit of the base gel, then put the nail onto my natural nails, push it down into the cuticle area to give it that very natural look. Afterwards, I'll just cure it under the UV light for about 60 seconds. With my file and file that, pointy plastic at the tip of the fake nails. Afterwards, I'll file the surface as well to help the gel adhere better. Help of my brush, I'll just pick up a little bit of the polish and give my nails the kind of base coats. This is very light and not thick. I'll come in with the second coat, which is thicker than the first one. After I'm done, I'll cure them under the UV for another 60 seconds. I'm going for the French look, so I'll get my fine brush, dip it into my white polish, and paint the tip of my nails white, just to create the French nails. Afterwards, I'll seal them off with a glossy top coat. I'll come in with white chrome powder and give it that chrome effect. I mean, I'm not using it in excess, just, some light mirror effect. Then I'm gonna seal them off with a glossy top coat. And let me find out, do you like the custom nude color? If you do give this a try, let me know how it comes out for you. If you've not subscribed, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to share this with family and friends, and don't forget to leave me that big fat thumbs up. Until next time, I am going to see you in another nice and interesting one. Bye.